What is up, my friends? Fucking gorgeous, cloudy, stormy Monday morning, at which I am not at work, which makes it twice as gorgeous. Holiday today. Tomorrow is Independence Day. I want to tell everybody in my family up north of the U.S., Happy Canada Day. You bad motherfuckers. I want to tell you I love you and I care about you and I'm thinking about you. That's why I'm making this video. But also, today, my buddy, Kendall Wright, from Wright's Prints, where the good stuff's at. Mr. Kendall Wright is here with me today, and we are going to do some things on the forge, mess with some Megane? I don't know. Forge welding some damn quarters together, right? And then we got some bag full of railroad spikes. We got just all kinds of stuff to try and that's a cool shirt. Look at that shirt. Where'd you get that shirt at?
Goodwill thing? No. A really cool place.
Wright's Prints, huh? Yeah, if you want a Lil Doggy shirt, just give me a holler. Mr. Kendall Wright printed those shirts. All right. I want to show you something because I don't think it's been this bad. We have shit just everywhere. Stuff pulled off the shelves. Look at that one. Air compressor done fell over. Got this, the workbench is just tools everywhere. Everywhere. Stuff from, oh, got me a nice little toolkit there. Tools. I'll tell you what we got to do. It's time. Oh, it's time to just give it a little cleaning. And just like that, we've got the place cleaned up. It's fast, ain't it? I love the magic shop. All right, now we are going to get over here in our gas forge, and we're going to forge welds and quarters amongst other things, but we're going to see how we can do that. See if it works. See if I can even do it. All right. We have washed 10 quarters in acetone, 100% acetone nonetheless. And I'm going to stick this into my forge and then hammer the shit out of it. So, let's see what happens. It's separated. That's good enough though. we got 6 welded together. That's cool. And 4 right there. We'll do something with that later. Coming delaminated. I do believe I have a little pool of nickel swirling around in the bottom of my damn forge too. Come here and check this out. Watch what happens underneath it. See that little puddle? I'm going to put it on my smooth surface of my little railroad track here and smooth it out. Then we'll grind it and see what happens. Trying to melt. Let it cool off. Oh, gotta quench it because copper work hardens. Let's find something to quench it in. That's what we can do here. Always wear safety goggles. Because sometimes even with safety goggles, shit happens. get some. So all I'm going to do with that tool, we got to get it smooth now. Pretty and smooth. What do you think? Think it could be a little bit flatter? Yeah, a lot flatter. Alright, we're good. Hurry. Heat goes way fast. Push it down from the top first.
This?
Yeah. Oh yeah, grab it. Grab it, grab it. You better hurry with your heat. Your heat's going away. Ooh. When you stick it back in the fire. That's your welding. You get to stick it back in the fire. It didn't stick together. You might as well separate them two pieces. Just like mine, it did the same thing. Go ahead and douse that in the water.
Which one?
The big one. You can put the whole thing in. It'll come off. Yeah. I don't know, man. You might ought to quench it before you start cracking on it. Might be close to all you can do with it. You can see the outside edges just cracking like a motherfucker. Yeah. Do you want to put a pattern in it or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna grind it off a little bit, clean it up a little bit.
Okay. What do you think? How it came out? Huh? I think that is just fucking beautiful. Now I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. As just a test, just like everything else, you know. You gotta test. You gotta see if you can do it. Push your boundaries. Learn, right? All right. Well, there it is. Yeah, and I think that's pretty cool. I mean, I haven't got it all polished and everything, but yeah. Hell yeah. Pretty cool. And now we've come full circle. Back to me letting you know that I love you and I care about you and I'm thinking about you. I'm praying for you and I hope you're praying for me because I need it. I want to tell you that I love you. I hope you have had a wonderful Monday so far, and I hope that you are celebrating the birth of America along with the other Americans, such as myself. Have a good one.
Lil Doggy.